Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom ROM on Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Okay, we are going to install the TWRP, that is our custom recovery. And now, first we need to unlock the bootloader on our phone. To do it, we need to go into the settings, and first we need to make sure that we are connected to the Wi-Fi. So go into connections and then pick available network. Select it, type the password, and of course connect. Okay, now go back, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, Software Information, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back into the main page of the settings, scroll a little bit to the downside, click on Developer Options, and the option that we are interested in didn't appear, so let's click on Software Update, click on Download and Install. We just need to click on that to connect to the server. We don't need to install any updates or anything like that. Now the option should appear. Let's wait until it loads. If it doesn't show in developer options, we can simply restart the phone, but as you take a look, the OEM unlocking feature has appeared. That's the thing that we are interested in, and we need to enable it. Thanks to that, we will unlock the bootloader, but you need to be aware that if you unlock your bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset of the data and everything will be erased. So I highly recommend to create a backup of the data before the whole process. Okay, now we need to turn it on, click on Enable, and click on Delete All. Okay, now the phone will perform the factory reset, and in the meantime we can do some other things. First, on your computer, open up the browser, visit our page, HardReset.Info, you can see the link right in here, and now go into Download section and type Samsung drivers, click on Search, select Samsung drivers and click the Download button. Then go back into Download and then type Odin, click on Search, and you need to download the latest version 3.14.4. Click on that and also click Download button. Then you need to visit the mega page, the link will be in the description, and in here we have the folder with our custom recovery. And also it is important that our phone needs to have this version of the software. As you can see, it's also in the mega, in the whole folder, so you can download it. And if you don't know how to install, on our channel you can find a video how to manually update and how to flash the stack ROM using the Odin app, so you can watch that video and you just need to flash this version using the Odin app. Okay, now let's open up the folder with our custom recovery, and in this video we're going to download the TWRP. So right click, download, and click on standard download. In my case, everything is already downloaded in my folder, so I won't repeat the whole process once again. And now we need to open up the folder, the downloads folder, and now we have our Samsung drivers, our Odin, and TWRP. We need to extract now the Odin app, the Odin folder, and also the Samsung drivers. So right click, you can select WinRAR and click on Extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on Extract All and Extract, and it will also fully work. Okay, then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, open it up, double click, and now we need to install them. Click on Yes. In my case it's already installed, but I can repeat the installation process. But you need to be aware that if you are installing the drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the whole computer after the installation, so everything will work properly thanks to that. Okay, also you need to get your USB-C cable. It will be necessary later. You can connect it already to your computer, so that's the thing that I'm about to do. We also need to wait until the drivers are installed, so we need to keep waiting. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to be patient. Okay, the Samsung drivers has been installed. We can click on finish, and now we need to wait until our phone turns on, and we'll have to go quickly through the setup process. We'll verify the bootloader in the settings, and then we will launch our Odin app, and we will install our new custom recovery. As you can see, the phone is rebooting really long, because that's, old device. So we need to keep waiting. Actually, I'm about to speed up the video a little bit, and I'll see you once we have the setup process on our screen. Okay, the setup process has finally appeared. Let me quickly select the language, then click the arrow to go forward. Now select that you agree, click on next. Let's skip the Wi-Fi so the setup process will be much faster. Click on don't copy. Next. More, accept. Skip. Same thing with Samsung account. I'm about to skip it. Finish. Okay, the phone has turned on, so now again we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. We'll verify the bootloader now. So let's wait until everything loads. Okay, slide to the upside, click on the settings, connections, Wi-Fi, select available network, then connect. Scroll down, about phone, software information, tap the build number until developer mode is enabled. Then go back, click on the software update. You don't need to install the version, just like I was talking about before. We just need to connect to the server. So let's wait until the second window pops out. Or I think that actually it should already work. Developer options. Okay, and OEM unlocking feature is enabled. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve. So, and now our bootloader is fully unlocked. Okay, now we need to power off the device. So hold the power key and click on power off. Now we need to launch our Odin. So open up the downloads folder, then the folder with the Odin, and launch the program. Double click, click on OK. And now we also need to turn the download mode on our phone. To do it, the phone needs to be turned off, and now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable to our phone. And I have made a mistake, and I have brought the wrong cable. We need to use the micro USB, so my bad. Okay, now I have the right cable, my bad. And to enter download mode, we need to hold both the volume keys at the same time, and now we need to insert the cable to our phone. Keep holding the volume keys until you see a menu. Okay, and now click on volume up, and we are in download mode, as you can see. And I don't know why in my case in Odin app I don't see the numbers under ID.com, which is really important. Okay, I have restarted the computer and everything is now okay. And because it is really important that under ID.com you need to see those numbers. If you see them, it means that the phone has been successfully connected with the Odin app. The app sees our phone and everything will work. Also, I highly recommend to use the original cable, Samsung cable of course, or another good quality cable. So everything will work. Now, go into Options, unselect Auto Reboot and Factory Reset Time. Now click on AP, go into Downloads and select TWRP. Click on Open, and now click on Start. Okay, and when it says pass, it means that our new recovery has been successfully installed. Now, let me show you how to enter the recovery. First, we need to hold the power key and volume down at the same time until we see the Samsung logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key and volume down and start holding power key and volume up until you see the Samsung logo. And when Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. So first, volume down and power. Now switch for power and volume up. And now release the power key but keep holding volume up. Okay, when you see the logo, you can release volume up also. And now I'll show you that we have our new recovery. We just need to swipe to the right side. And now in here, for example, we can wipe the data, install a new custom ROM, restore the backup of thing. We can also create a backup of the data, and we can also go into advanced settings and do some things using the ADB. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.